Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing with our setup of just subjects and moving through. So if you hate these, if you hate this format now, let me know. Let me know it sucks. Let me know it's stupid. You just want the video consecutive each day and going instead of spreading it out over a week, because like I've said, this is your channel. But all right, this is the built-in library Itertools. So let's just look at it, and you know how to import. There we go. Let's run this. So all right, dir Itertools. So all right, these are some really cool awesome things. Count, iSlice, those are the ones that we're going to really touch on, but this is just a little intro of it, and next week we'll pick up here, or at least in a few days. I'm trying a different format because I don't want you guys to be bombarded with too much of the same subject, but if you'd rather keep it that way, like I said, this is your channel. This is just what we're going to work on, and then the next video is going to be a different one, and it's going to be a different library, and we'll go on from there. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and please leave any comments or some feedback. This is stupid, you like the idea, however, this is your channel. You guys are in charge. And we'll see you next time. Bye guys.